Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Messenger in your laptop without mobile phone. So let's begin our video. So here you can see I just opened my Messenger. And I will show that how can you use this Messenger without your mobile phone. You can make call. You can make a video call, audio call. You can send text. You can send photos, videos. You can do each and everything. That's you can do on your mobile phone, and the same things you can do on your laptop. So how can you install it? You just need to go on Microsoft Store and then you can find here. Here you can see this is Messenger. You can easily download from here. Just click under Get option and then you can install it. Very easily. It's totally free. Okay, then open Messenger. So I hope you can understand and hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.